Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new era of video editing. Filmora 15 is here, and it's packed with powerful new features designed to transform your workflow. In this video, we're going to cover all the major changes and new features that make this update so special. This is part 1, where we're focusing on the game-changing creative and AI tools that will help you create stunning content faster than ever before. Let's dive in. First feature is AI Extend. Import your clip here. This is the video clip. See this. Now, click here on this AI Extend button and extend your clip like this. Then come here and write the basic prompt which you wanted in your extended clip. Here I am writing that lion is running behind the football. Then choose your settings here. Then click on Generate, a feature that feels like magic. It will take just a few seconds. You can seamlessly lengthen your clips. Just select it, and Filmora's AI intelligently generates new frames that blend perfectly with your original footage, extending the action without any choppy loops. It's perfect for B-roll cinematic scenes. Now it's completed. See the result. And it generated so accurately and perfect. Now, we are moving to next feature. Second feature is Pen tool. Now, come here and click here on the shape, and then click on Pen tool. Here, you can draw any shape or any path like this. After making a complete shape, then come this side, and here you can play with these settings. This is a game changer for creators. You are no longer limited to preset shapes and paths. Draw your own custom motion paths for text and graphics, create unique masks, or design vector-style graphics right inside Filmora 15. You have complete control to create anything that you need it. Here you can choose color. Now, I will make animation path by using keyframes. See this. You can play with these settings. Now we are moving to next feature. Third feature is Animated Chart. So now, click on Effects section. Then come to Exclusive. Now click on Animated Charts. Here it will open a new window. Here, you can turn any boring data into captivating content with the help of this feature, Animated Charts. Whether you're making a business presentation, an educational video, or a slick social media ad, this feature makes it effortless. Just choose from a variety of chart styles, input your data, and watch as Filmora animates it all for you. It's simple, smart, and incredibly inspiring. Here, you can upload CSV or XLSX file directly, and it will automatically feed the data into animation chart. And here you are free to play with settings, like color, fonts, and styles. After doing all settings, just click on Add on Timeline. Here, you can see that how it look like, from raw data into animated charts. Now, we are moving to next feature. And that's just the beginning. We've unlocked a new level of creative power with AI and design. But what about complex projects and efficiency? In part 2, we'll explore the professional-grade workflow features like dual timeline editing and smart cutout that will make editing faster and more powerful than ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Links to download Filmora 15 are in the description below. See you in the next video.